Hello everyone, this is Team VisionNxt comprising of Anonno, Devoshmit, Konko, Aditya and Kabir, and we are very excited to present our solution ShopkAIper. Let's start off with the problem statement. So in today's market, understanding customer behavior and ensuring security are important factors for businesses to thrive. Using traditional methods of monitoring customers and ensuring security by using multiple staff members lack efficiency and real-time insights. This also adds a lot of pressure on the store manager to basically supervise everything in a dynamic environment, leading to missed opportunities and potential losses. Thus, there is a pressing need for a comprehensive real-time video-based computer vision application that can automate this. This is where a solution comes in. This is a AI-powered shopkeeper that can automate all these daily store operations with minimal human supervision and provide helpful insights to improve customer satisfaction and issue alerts. So the features of our solution include accurately determining customer dwell time, optimizing inventory management to enhance co-purchases, detecting instances of theft, and identifying the best-selling products. We also created our own dataset at our local Spencer's supermarket where we recorded videos in different store sections where you can see that our team members mimic how a customer would purchase products from a shelf and how a thief would maybe steal products. The store managers was also very interested to use our app into their workflow to boost their productivity. The store sections that we covered were cereals, fish and sauce, wine, grooming, and shaving. Then we annotated all the frames in the videos in RoboFlow to create the dataset on which our YOLO V8 models were fine-tuned to detect the product shelves and also identify the left and right hand key points. So let's meet our solution ShopkAIper. You can see the dashboard of our solution embedded into the Nx Meta client over here, which is a very seamless dashboard that provides a summary of the CCTV feed from different sections with analysis of dwell time, co-purchased and top-selling products, potential thefts, all at a single glance. We can also have customizable alerts for thefts and emergencies, and we also provide product insights to make informed decisions using product placement and inventory management. This is the Nx Meta server page. Our server is currently running on a Linux machine. Over here, there is a list of all the camera devices that we are using. Going to the details page, this gives a list of all the models that are available. We have fine-tuned and created YOLO V8 and Pose model. You can see all the information related to the model over here. We have used a standard normalization as well as the different input shapes are available here. You can see the input JSON shape as well as the output JSON shape being mentioned over here. Now let me come to the Nx Meta client. Opening this camera feed, going to the camera settings and plugin, you can see that in the AI manager plugin we are using our custom model as well as the custom post processor. Now that actually helps us detect all the different product categories in the camera feed using our fine-tuned model. We also detect the person using YOLO V8 pose along with his left and right hand positions. Over here in this video you can see that a person is coming and stealing a small wine bottle from a shelf and then going away. Now let me just open the webpage for our ShopkAIper app that we have deployed on Vercel. You can see that we provide all the different section wise dwell time analysis for the day of 26th of May. Over here we give all the time wise analysis along with the different quantities that have been bought for each of these different product categories available. Over here we have done the same thing for the fish and sauce section as well. Coming to the co-purchased categories, you can see that we have again given a list of all the co-purchased items in the cereal and fish section. So cereal boxes, tins and oat tins are probably bought together. We also provide a section of the top highest selling products. You can see that the section and the product name along with the item numbers are also mentioned. This gives a list of suspected thefts. In the fish section, you can see that there were 3 such detections with the timestamp and Z-score. We also issue alert notifications over here about the latest theft. This is the high-level workflow of our entire solution. We take the CCTV feeds from different camera devices into the Nx Meta server, where we use different object detection and YOLO V8 post detection models along with different post processors on the Nx Meta client side. The data generated from this is fed into the analysis server, which is hosted on AWS. We also use the data of the product placement in the admin database in combination with this to basically generate analytics of different product-wise dwell time, co-purchasing data, and anomaly detection to identify thefts. Uh, the input into this pipeline is basically real-time CCTV footage from different sections. Product placement data is taken from the admin database. We use yellow V8 pose models and yellow V8 models to detect bounding boxes of products and human body part key points. We mainly use the left and right wrist key points. We then use the post processors for each camera device to apply non-max suppression and confidence thresholding, which then passes the data to the NX client for visualizing the boxes. The NX Meta app then receives the bounding box feed from the NX Cloud and displays them. The analysis server hosted on AWS generates insights like co-purchasing data, frequent items, and dwell time analysis, along with visualization for each product group under each camera. Co-purchased items detection pipeline looks like this. So we use a yellow V8 pose model to extract the different key points of the human, and we use the left and right wrist key points only, along with the product placement data to understand in which product category the human is interacting with from the heat map. We perform a hand movement analysis along with product group proximity analysis to understand which products have been bought, to basically send this data to the a priori algorithm to understand which items are likely to be co-purchased by different customers. So the input to this analysis server is basically all product placement and body part bounding boxes. We stream data every 2 seconds and keep a 20-second buffer for synchronization. We do movement and proximity analysis to understand that if a person is interacting with the product for 8 seconds, then it's probably that they have bought the product. In 30-second windows, we actually create a bucket to understand the list of items that have been bought together. A priori algorithm basically helps us to understand the different recommendations of co-purchased items to improve product placements. We perform anomaly or potential theft detection by analyzing the dwell time analysis and identifying any spikes in the interaction levels in the time series data using the statistical analysis of Z-score thresholding. We check whether the customer is carrying a cart or not, in which case the anomalies are notified as potential thefts. Coming to the hardware that we used, we mainly use CCTV footage from cameras at a height of 5 to 6 feet from the ground with a resolution greater than 720 pixels with a field of view of 60 degrees. Our application is of very low latency, so it can be run on mobile clients for quick access of entire dashboard. The tech stack we used includes the entire NX Meta suite, along with AWS, Python, OpenCV, React.js, NumPy, ONNX, and Vercel. Applications of our solution include optimized product placement. By analyzing customer dwell time, we can strategically place high margin promotional products to boost impulse sales. Enhanced security basically reduces the instances of theft, improving security. Upselling and cross-selling can be done to encourage customers to buy complementary or higher value items, increasing the average transaction value. Our app can give retail stores a competitive advantage coupled with effective pricing strategies, product launches, and promotional efforts.